What if you could build a full RPG attribute system and enemy NPCs in Roblox Studio, using AI as your co-developer? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I did that using Claude. We'll build HP and mana bars, a character stats system with XP and leveling, and spawn enemy NPCs that actually fight back and drop experience when you kill them. Let's get into it. The first thing we built was the status bar UI, HP bar on the top left, mana bar right below it, and a minimap on the bottom left. I asked Claude to generate the GUI frames, the fill bars, and the gradient colors. What's great here is that Claude wrote all the Luau code directly into Roblox Studio through the MCP plugin. No copy pasting. It created the health BG frame, the health fill inside it with a UI gradient, and even the text labels showing the live values. Next up is the attribute system. This is the backbone of any RPG. We built 3 scripts for this. First, attribute config, a module script and replicated storage that defines all base stats: MaxHP, MaxMP, defense, speed, and attack damage. It also defines how much each stat grows per level. Second, character attributes, a server script that reads these values, applies them to the character as Roblox attributes when they spawn, and syncs HP to the built-in humanoid so the damage system still works. And third, HUD controller, a local script that listens for stat changes and updates the bars in real time with smooth tween animations. Once the attributes were working, we added the XP and leveling system. Claude designed an XP curve using a formula, base XP multiplied by level to the power of 1.5. So early levels are easy, but it scales up naturally. When you earn enough XP, the server automatically levels you up, recalculates all your stats, gives you a partial HP and MP restore, and fires a level up remote event to the client. We also added an XP bar below the MP bar that tweens smoothly as you gain experience. One issue is the HP bar color is so dark, so I asked Claude to fix it. After the bars, we added a stats panel, a toggleable UI that shows all 5 character stats: attack, defense, speed, max HP, and max MP. Each stat has its own colored icon, value label, and a mini progress bar that fills proportionally. You click the stats button below the HP bar to open it with a slide animation, and it refreshes in real time whenever a stat changes, including after level ups. The whole panel matches the dark purple RPG aesthetic of the rest of the HUD. Now for the fun part, enemies. We built a full enemy system with 4 types: slime, goblin, skeleton, and dark knight. Each enemy is built procedurally, no models needed. Claude generated the body parts, eyes, welds, humanoid, and a billboard health bar that floats above each enemy. Then it wrote an AI script with 3 states: patrol, chase, and attack. When you get within aggro range, the enemy starts chasing you. When you're close enough, it attacks, and your defense stat actually reduces the damage. When you kill it, it plays a shrink death animation, awards you XP using the system we built earlier, and respawns after 8 seconds. We also added floating damage numbers that appear above enemies when they take hits, and golden plus XP text that floats above your character when you earn experience. And that's the full system: character attributes, XP and leveling, a stats panel, and enemy NPCs with real AI, all built with Claude as the co-developer directly inside Roblox Studio. If you want to see the next part where we add combat animations and a damage system, subscribe and drop a comment below. Links to everything are in the description.